I'm going to show you a simple and beginner-friendly way to add smooth animations to your pages. This is perfect for portfolios, landing pages, school projects, or business websites. And you can do this even if you're new to Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the search bar at the top, type in website and press enter. Canva will show you a variety of website templates you can choose from. If you hover your cursor over some templates, you'll notice that a few of them already include built-in animations. You can absolutely use those if you like the style. But if you want to add animations to your own existing design, go to Projects and open your website design. Once your design opens, make sure your website is separated per page. This is important because when viewers scroll through your site, the animations will trigger on each page separately. Now, adding animations is very simple. If you want to animate the entire page at once, just click on the page. Then head over to Animate on the floating toolbar. An animations panel will appear on the left side. Hover your cursor over any animation to preview it, and click on the one you like to apply it to the full page. But let's say you only want to animate specific elements instead of the whole page. In that case, select the elements you want to animate. Then go to the toolbar, click Animate, and choose any element animation you prefer. Here's a trick I personally use because page animations can feel limited. Instead of using page animations, select everything on the page by pressing Ctrl+A or by dragging your cursor to highlight all elements. Then go to Animate, switch to the Element Animation section, and choose Rise. This animation is one of the best options for websites because it looks smooth, professional, and doesn't cause unnecessary delays when scrolling. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know how to add clean and professional animations to your Canva website without overcomplicating the process. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on building and customizing your Canva website from scratch, I made a separate video just for that. Make sure to check it out. For more Canva tips, website design hacks, and beginner-friendly tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and follow for more easy design tricks you can use right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.